Hi and welcome to Moonworkers. It's great to have you on board. Today I'm gonna show you how to complete your company registration profile and access the full range of Moonworkers features. So let's not wait a minute and let's get started straight away. After you sign up, here I'm just signing in. You access our onboarding wizard. So the first step is to enter your company registration number, and thanks to it we will be able to retrieve all your company's information. So here is Moonworkers. I'm gonna just import a fake phone number, then your company's name, a description if needed. You can also upload your company logo, save, and then just import your debit card number that you're going to use for your subscriptions to Moonworkers. We won't charge your card at all. It's just as soon as you import more than one employee, then we will start charging you a cost per employee, so at least your card will be saved and you won't have to input your card number all the time, every time an employee is added to the system. Add your new payment method and you're done. And now you can access your dashboard and the HR payroll and HR for contractors functionalities.